It is our David Spell campus. Enter a museum where songs come to life.
Ayun na, nagsasalita na Kuya Robot. Ayun o, yeah, hi, yeah. Uy, violent.
Universe and technology.
Malapit yan.
Watch Planetarium shows you the space shuttle, the Universe Gallery.
Picture ko na nga lang. Dalawa pang gagamit yung cellphone. Pipicture ko yan habang binibidyohan ko. Malapit kasi ako yung malapit. Teka, kala kong baliw. Nasalita ako sa cellphone.
Remember, leave signs. Take photos and take care of the exhibits. You can also download the Mind Meridian app for free on the App Store or Google Play to enrich your visit today. In case of emergency, marshals will lead you to safety. Let your curiosity guide you. You can return
Yung
to wonder now.
pinipicture ko yan. Picture.
Alright, thank you so much, Edie. Now, meron sa Edie, the Mind Museum is designed to be explored in a mini McDonald's.
Let's get back.
The Mind Movers. If you have questions about science or questions about the exhibit, pwede din silang tanongin during their day. Pag narinig yun yung announcement, punta na tayo sa atong demo area, watch their live experience. And once you remind this lang po, kahit na kung malalaki na kayo, no shouting, no horseplay inside the PDU. And if nasa PDU po tayo, ingatan lang po natin mga exhibit sa loob. Kasi mag-picture, pero yung babasahin lang natin yung mga things ligaya nito. Para gamitin yung mga exhibit.
Kunyoki.
So after ng tour, meron tayo to be distracted, the exhibit.
Yeah.
Ako doon.
Thank you
po. So,
Go.
to start